Hey, YouTube, this is for my friend Jaden. I'm gonna put this on listed, so if you find it, you're lucky. Anyway, let's get to the tutorial.
Yeah,
First, you gotta click
I'm
View
kidding.
right here, and then you gotta click this button right here. It should say Theme Create. I'm on dark mode, so if you don't see it, oof. It should prompt this, or wherever you find it. Click Turn On. It should publish the game if it's not published already. I already published it, so it doesn't go through that process. But if you haven't published it yet, you have done it. So you can either click this button, or you could actually click Home, Game Settings, Permissions, and then watch this. Oh wait, no.
Home game settings permission.
Oh wait.
What? Wait, home game settings.
96
Game
and
settings.
boom. But what? Before you do that, you have to click Edit, Save, and you're done. Almost. On your friend screen, let me show you what's gonna happen. Alt A. I gotta publish it. 1 second, guys. On your friend's view, you're going to. It should pop up here. You have to click My Games Shared with Me. I haven't been invited to any games because I have no friends, but still, you should be invited to a game if your friend give you Team Create.
You have no friends.
Okay, guys, that's it for the tutorial. Thank you. Goodbye.